A very good day, South Africa, and welcome to the Weather Center. I have two weather alerts to pass along to you from the South African Weather Service. The first one is a warning for high fire danger over much of the Northern Cape, where runaway fires are possible. We also have a watch for severe thunderstorms over much of the Free State, including the Eastern Cape, where potentially large hail and damaging winds are possible. It was a mostly clear start off to the day for much of the central interior, very foggy along the west coast, cloudy for much of KwaZulu-Natal, and we saw mostly cloudy skies with a bit of drizzle over parts of Mpumalanga. Now for your Wednesday, it's going to be fun and dry for much of Limpopo. We're expecting rain showers into Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as for much of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be partly cloudy with isolated to scattered thunderstorms for much of the country. We're expecting scattered thunderstorms later during the course of the day for parts of the west. Now for your Thursday, we're expecting rain showers over much of KwaZulu-Natal, the Eastern Cape, as well as for the southern parts of the country. It's going to be mostly cloudy with isolated to scattered thunderstorms once again over much of the northeast, and we're expecting a fine and dry day for much of the Northern Cape. Up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms are forecast over Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga, including the Northwest Province. We're expecting up to a 40% chance of rain for much of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be a windy afternoon for Cape Town, where we're expecting north-northwesterlies of up to 45 kilometers per hour. Very windy for East London and Port Elizabeth, but we're expecting a light breeze for Joburg at 15 kilometers per hour. It's going to be a pretty hot afternoon for Uppington with a high of 35 degrees. The R will also peak at 35, Gaffrenet at 36. We're expecting a warm afternoon for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Mid-20s are forecast near Mbombela, and we're expecting a high of 28 degrees for Joburg. Overnight temperatures in the single digits near Springbok as well as for Sutherland. Upper teens are forecast near East London, 20 for Durban and Richards Bay, and we're expecting a low of 15 degrees for Joburg. Now on Thursday, it's going to be nice and dry for Gaffrenet with a high of 28 degrees. We're expecting rain showers over much of the northeast, including the Eastern Cape coastline. And for Friday, it's going to be fun and dry for much of the interior once again, with a high of 32 anticipated near Uppington, and we're expecting rain showers over much of the northeast. Well, that's all for now from the Weather Center. Have a good one.